Let's talk about a misconception that's been quietly draining the energy of operators everywhere: the belief that AI and automation are just tools to make life easier. This is a comforting lie. The truth is, AI should be seen as infrastructure, not just a shiny piece of tech. It's about building systems that remove human dependency, not just adding convenience. Most businesses misuse AI because they treat it as a gadget rather than a foundational element that can transform how they operate under pressure. Imagine your business as a complex machine. AI isn't just another cog in the wheel, it's the architecture that holds the machine together, ensuring each part functions seamlessly. When you think of AI as a decision architecture, not just software, you start to see its potential. It's not about replacing human judgment, but enhancing it, especially in high value activities like complex deals. AI can analyze pipelines, suggest negotiation tactics, and spot patterns where deals stall. This isn't about adding bells and whistles, it's about creating leverage that multiplies your efforts. Here's where most operators stumble: they view automation as a shortcut. But real automation is leverage. It's the difference between pulling a lever and pushing a boulder uphill. When systems are built correctly, they don't just save time, they create time. They free up mental bandwidth, reduce decision fatigue, and let you focus on strategic thinking rather than firefighting. But when systems are poorly implemented, they become a source of resentment, adding complexity instead of eliminating it. Let me give you a real world example. Consider a sales team using AI to manage their pipeline. The AI isn't just there to automate emails or schedule calls, it's there to provide insights that a human might miss, like which leads are likely to convert or which deals are at risk of stalling. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating an environment where human judgment is sharper, more informed, and less burdened by the minutiae of day to day operations. Yet, despite the promise, many businesses get it wrong. They jump on the AI bandwagon without understanding the sequence and integration necessary for success. They deploy AI without considering failure modes, leading to systems that crumble under pressure. The result: operators end up exhausted, holding too much in their heads that should live in systems. This isn't a failure of intelligence or effort, it's a structural problem. So, what happens if you ignore this for another year? The mental load increases, decision fatigue sets in, and resentment builds. Your team becomes reactive rather than proactive, constantly firefighting instead of strategizing. But when systems work, there's a palpable shift. The chaos subsides, clarity emerges, and you find yourself with the bandwidth to focus on what truly matters: growing the business. As we wrap up, remember this: AI and automation are not quick fixes. They're strategic levers that, when used correctly, can transform your business from a reactive entity to a proactive powerhouse. It's time to rethink how you view AI, not as a tool, but as the infrastructure that supports every decision, every action, every strategy. Embrace this reframe, and you'll find yourself operating with a clarity and efficiency you once thought impossible.